I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a forceful Friday. Fairness and our echo. Have a great weekend.
Good morning, Frederick High School. Is Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question is, what does the word bocce translate to? Is it toss, balls, lawn, or kiss? As always, drop your answer in the box below and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.